Hi friends, how are you all? So this is the last part for our preamble session. So I'm going to close this session after this video. Then we will start a new topic, the making of the Indian Constitution. As I said before, I'll give all the information regarding according to the syllabus. Okay, the complete Indian polity according to the syllabus. And those who are preparing newly for the examination, for the upcoming examination like 2021, for them it will be useful. Those who are preparing UPSC prelims 2021, for them I'm providing this, so that from the beginning, from the basics, I'm giving you the complete information, and I assure you that further this will continue also. Right. So MCQs on preamble. So this is the part 5 and the last part for this particular session. Okay. And as I promised here, I'll provide you the MCQ, 50 MCQs. So I'm doing the same thing. I have provided you the 50 MCQs, more than that. Right. So let's move on to the first MCQ for today. The first MCQ, which of the following is true about preamble? Right? You have to identify the true statement. Let's see the options here. It is a source of power to legislature and a source of prohibition upon the powers of legislature. No, it is not a source of power for legislation. Okay, so this statement is wrong. And moving on to the next one, it is justiciable. No, it is not justiciable according to the case laws. Its provisions are enforceable in court of law. No, if it is not justiciable, then it cannot be enforceable in the court of law. So what is the answer here? The answer here is the none of the above. So D is the right option for this particular question. Moving on to the next MCQ for today. What is the true meaning of secularism? So let's see the options here. All religions are equal in the eyes of the government. Option B, special importance to the religion related to the minorities. Option C, one religion is promoted by the government. Option D, having state religion. So here, in order to answer this question, you have to understand what is secularism. What is the definition of secularism? Here, secularism means no official religion. No religion, no official religion, no state religion. Right? It's very important. No state religion. All religions are treated equally. All religions are respected equally. So we won't follow any religion. We won't disagree with any religions. Okay. And the state is not having any official religion. All the religions are equally respected, equally treated. Everyone have their own, means they have the right to follow their religion. So that is the definition of secularism in India. So now see the options and select the correct answer here. All religions are equal in the eyes of the government. Yes, all religions are equal in the eyes of the government. This statement is right. But still, let's see the other options. Special importance to the religion related to minorities. No, we won't provide any special importance to any particular religion. All the religions are treated equally and respected equally in India. So this statement is wrong here. See the next statement, one religion is promoted by the government. No, just now I told you we won't have any state religion. So, no particular religion is promoted by the government. This statement is wrong. Having state religion, no, it's wrong. So, what is the answer here? Option A is the right answer for this particular question. Moving on. Where can we see the value of Indian democracy in the constitution? Here, The value of Indian democracy. Where can you see the value of Indian democracy in the constitution? Let's see the options here. Preamble, part 3, part 4 and part 1 of the constitution. So here the democracy, the word democracy has been explained in the preamble. So the value of democracy and the will be seen in the preamble. So what is our answer here? Option A is the right answer for this particular question. Moving on to the next one. Which of the following emerges clearly from the preamble? Which of the following emerges clearly from the preamble? See the options here. Date of adoption of constitution, ideals that are to be achieved, nature of India's state, the source of authority of the constitution. So what is our answer here? See here, I'll show you the preamble. So this is the preamble. What's the first option here? Date of adoption of the constitution. Yes, we can identify the date of adoption of the constitution. 26th day of November 1949. So we can know the date of adoption of the constitution. So first statement is right. See the second one. Ideals that are to be achieved. Yes, ideals like social, sovereign, social, secularism, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, all these ideals have been mentioned in the preamble. So the second statement is also right. Nature of Indian state, no. Nature of Indian state is not explained. The source of authority of the constitution, no, that is also not explained here. So what is explained here? The first and the second one are given in the preamble. So obviously our answer will be option A. Right, option A is the right answer for this particular question. Moving on to the next MCQ. What is the meaning of social equality in the Indian Constitution? Equality in the Indian Constitution means, okay, so see the options here. Lack of opportunities, no. Lack of equality, no. Equal opportunities for all sections of the society. So here, just move to the equality statement that is given in the preamble and you will understand what is equality over there. So here equality here is the social equality they are asking. So it is not regarding the equality of opportunities. So answer for this is D. Next is preamble was enforced on. Preamble was enforced on. So here the preamble was adopted on. So you will have two types of questions. The preamble was adopted on and the preamble was enforced on. So if you get a question like preamble adopted on, then you will write 26th November 1949, the date which is mentioned in the preamble. But enforced on, so don't get confused between the preamble enforced on date and the preamble adopted on date. Okay, the preamble enforced date is different from adopted date. Let me give you this. 26th November 1949 is the preamble adopted on. Adopted. But enforced on 26th January 1950. So there is a difference in the adoption date and the enforced date. Okay, please don't get confused. You will have the adoption date in the preamble but not the enforced date. So answer for this is C. C is the right answer, that is 26th January 1950. Moving on to the next MCQ quickly. Which is the correct sequence of the following verse in the preamble of the Constitution? I told you many times that the sequence of the verse is equally important. So what is the correct sequence here? I told you the shortcut also. 3 S's come first, then democratic and republic. sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Okay, see where we have this is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. So this is the order. So B is the right answer for our particular question. Moving on to the next MCQ quickly. Who among the following said that the preamble of the Indian Constitution is the keynote of the Indian Constitution? Such type of questions I have asked many times. So please do not neglect this. I have given so many important points related to this in our explanatory videos. So, who said these words? These type of statements have been given, discussed in our explanatory videos. So have a look at that. But the keynote of the Constitution, preamble is the keynote of the Constitution. Who said this? This statement was given by Ernest Burker. So that is option A. Ernest Burker said that preamble is the keynote of the Constitution. So A is the right answer for this question. Moving on to the last question for today's session. Which of the following statement are true? What are the statements here? Plebiscite is when a proposed general legislation is referred to the elections for acceptance through direct voting. Second statement, republic means elected head of the government. So which of the following statements are true? Now here we have to understand what is plebiscite. You got an important word here, plebiscite. So what is plebiscite? That you have to understand. Plebiscite means method of obtaining and gathering the opinion of the people in the public. Means if you have any important matters and you need and require the opinion of the people, if you are obtaining the opinion of the people by through some other method, then that method is called as plebiscite. So plebiscite means method of obtaining, gathering the information from the public is called as plebiscite. Okay, so now the question is, are we collecting the opinion of the people? Are we following plebiscite? Yes, we are collecting the opinion of the people through the process of republic. So what is republic? Electing the representatives. Our representatives are elected by us only. So the people are giving their opinion. The people are electing the representatives. We are providing our opinion here. So the first statement is right here. Second statement, what is the meaning of republic? So electing the head of the government. Yes, the head will be elected. So here even B statement is also right. So what is their answer here? Both 1 and 2 are right for this particular question. So C is the right answer for this question. So that's all for today's session, guys. Thank you, guys. I'll come up with a new session where, as I said, we will discuss about the making of the Indian Constitution. Okay. And as I promised earlier, I will provide you the videos much early. So it seems I'm providing the videos a bit late, but this time I'll provide you the videos much early. Right? So click the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. So stay tuned with me for the upcoming sessions. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.